Hey, welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike, and today, guess what? We're going to be making a very interesting omelet. I call it my Queso Blanco Tamale omelet. The reason why I decided to make this omelet to begin with is because Pam and I made these really awesome tamales. This is kind of a New Orleans version of a tamale. And I had some left over, and I said, you know what, I bet you that would be really good as an omelet. So this is what we decided to do. We're going to take our eggs, and we're going to make a nice little patty out of them, you know, and we're going to put the tamales, kind of smash them down a little bit. I'm going to put this Tostito Queso Blanco, it's white cheese, on there, and roll it up, make a nice little omelet out of it. Then we're going to take this picante sauce, put a little bit on top with some cilantro, and that's going to be it. It's going to be great. Let me show you how it's done. If you want to follow me real time, I'm not going to edit any of this out unless I make some huge mistake, but it's really simple, so follow along with me. I'm just going to go ahead and add in 2 eggs to my little bowl here. Going to whisk that up until it's nice and smooth. Okay, fire's going to be on. Nice little chunk of butter. While the butter is melting, I'm going to go ahead and warm these up in the microwave just for maybe 30 seconds. All right, 10 seconds to go. Butter's melting. Okay, that's looking good. Let me grab this out of here. Okay, I got them warmed up. Let me go ahead and get my egg in here. All right, good. Now I'm just going to keep turning the egg around a little bit, use my spatula to fill in the middle if there's any little air pockets. Oh, I was supposed to turn the heat down. So let me turn that heat down. I don't want to cook it too much on the bottom. Okay, so this is what I like to do. I like to push it over and let the egg flow to the sides. See how I'm doing that? If you can see that. Okay. All right. I'm going to put a little salt and pepper in. I have some mixed, and I don't like using kosher because it's a little too crunchy. Yep, these are warm. I'm putting these in. These are the tamales. Okay. Give me a rag here. All right, get a little queso. Doesn't have to be a whole lot. Put in as much as you like. You want it overflowing, go for it. All right, here we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and roll this baby over like this. There's my omelet. Let me get this in the sink. Pull my plate out here. Okay. All right, you with me? There's my big omelet. Look how pretty that is. Man, I love it. Take a little picante sauce, drizzle that right on top. A little cilantro. Gotta have some cilantro. Okay, that's all the cilantro I need. Now, let me go ahead and get a fork and we'll dig into this bad boy. Man, let's dig into this thing. Cut it. I'm going right up in the middle for a piece. Make sure I get all the the tamale in there, you know. See the tamale on the side? Man, look how pretty that is. And it's nice and hot. It's smoking a little bit. Mmm. Mmm. Man, this is awesome. Can you get one of these in a restaurant somewhere here in New Orleans? So I don't care if you open up a can or you go down to the corner and go buy some tamales. Make yourself a tamale omelet with the white queso cheese. You're gonna love it. Man, it is so good. Have a great weekend. Thank you for tuning into the Sanders Kitchen. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell. That way you know when we come out with new videos. Like I said, have a great weekend. Go make you one of these. You're gonna love it. And God bless you.